I just took a finger in the butt from Zane Riley.
Hit the road, something big.
Last night in New Orleans, it's about midnight, can't sleep, and I'm super hungry. So what does one do? Well, did what any real true Briz member would do. I went and got breakfast at the Daisy Duke Cafe. Yes, I'm sitting here with no shirt on. Bustin' a move. Just hit the east side of the Briz Cliz. Mr. Warren G. Seen a car full of girls, ain't no need to tweak. All you search know what's up with 213.
In the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner. All that mattress that
I got baby.
baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I love cheap thrills. I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
Have fun, cheap thrills. Briz Cliz coming to you live here. We got special guests. Who are you guys?
TJ Boss,
This is Zuka King.
who represent the END.
Bruh.
What's the END mean?
Equal Nation Demonstration.
You didn't know that? You knew that.
I didn't know that.
How you didn't know?
I didn't know.
We go out here and beat people up every night.
You on the same shows.
On the same show. And you know, we might have
Anyway,
to beat you up.
okay. So, what's your favorite breakfast food?
Hold on, wait, time out. I thought this was an interview.
No.
You
But
really?
I do like mayonnaise on my pancakes though.
Mayonnaise on your pancakes?
Who would eat that?
What is wrong?
If you go on breakfast,
What do you like?
I like bacon and eggs.
The normal stuff.
Exactly. That dude, that's like
Nobody eats mayonnaise on pancakes.
Why
Put a
people
little
don't-
syrup on it?
Yeah, white people don't even
Why
eat
people
that.
don't even put
Mustard?
No.
Are you making a sandwich?
Yeah. You make the and you put,
Scott,
you put the
listen.
sausage in the middle.
Okay, listen, guess what? This is the end of this interview.
So it's rant time. Listen, you stupid motherfuckers, and listen well, okay? I know a hurricane is coming, but that is not an excuse to lose human decency, you viral ants. You pieces of genetic sludge. Holy shit. It shouldn't be that hard to get gas. I need gas for work, not because I'm gonna be in a apocalypse tomorrow. Jesus Christ, have you never been in a hurricane before? Have you never been through weather before? I hate every last one of you. Everybody in Florida is a pig. Every last one of them. Jesus Christ. Try to get gas, can't do it. Go to Publix. Oh my God, you think the end of the world. And everyone here is acting like, holy the hand of God is gonna bitch slap me for all my sins. Listen, you motherfuckers, you stupid motherfuckers, and listen well, okay? Stop with your oh my God, I have to have every provision imaginable. You spend entire years not prepared for and now all of a sudden it matters. Oh my God, I hate every last one of you. You've invaded my roadways, my privacy, my space. You've gotten in my way. You have done everything possible to make a journey to get gas and provisions for the rest of the week for work. An absolute nightmare for that. I truly hope to God that truly honest to God bad things happen to you. I dislike you in ways that the Bible never wrote about, and I hope that in the days that come you pay for what you've done. I'm out.
At the Publix Tuesday night, 9 o'clock, 9:30. Most of the bread is gone. Lots of sandwiches this weekend. 1 bag of charcoal left. Almost out of toilet paper.
You're out of regular, no regular.
Just dropped the roommate off at the airport. He had a trip to Vegas, coincidentally the day before the hurricane hits here. Good planning on his part. And now I'm going straight to my dad's house to put up storm panels. And that's going to be a complete cluster show.
Hoss Haygood is right there. We're gonna get an interview.
Hey, Hoss. Hoss, what are you doing?
Just me and Stan's playing a game of catch.
Hoss.
Hold on.
Stan can't catch.
Stan can.
No, listen. Hoss.
Be the ball.
No, hey.
Be the ball. Be the ball.
Hoss.
Whoa.
Hoss.
What?
He doesn't have hands.
Oh.
Listen, what's your favorite breakfast food?
Moons over my standing.
What?
You know, moons over my standing.
Okay. Yeah. Anyway. What is Stan like?
Duh. Fiesta Line burritos.
Fiesta lime burrito. What?
Chicken fiesta.
Stan can't eat.
Stan can. Good. Stan can. Stan can eat.
My butt. It's not okay. I was violated.